According to a random survey, one of the most difficult part in writing research is basically the part on review of related literature or related literature in general. So what were the issues that were raised in terms of writing the review of related literature for research in the product development? First is that they have a difficulty in terms of outsourcing the information that will be used for the related literature. So students have a hard time in terms of trying to access some very legitimate sources or legitimate websites where they can have information or some facts and details to be used for the related literature. The second issue that they raise is basically on how to organize related literature or even related studies. So how do you necessarily try to map out and write literature that will be used for our research? So these are the things that we will be tackling for our next lesson in review of related literature. So let's start now. The purpose of the literature review is to improve the understanding of the research that is being undertaken. This part aims to demonstrate the knowledge of the many resources on hand from the authors and other authors. The literature review is not an essay or research paper. It is not a part which you will say your method or conclusion. Because writing this part requires the organization of your major and secondary concepts. It is important to know the framework of your study. The framework will serve as your guide on how a researcher can organize the concepts to be discussed in the study. In general, the researcher may organize the concepts and include the only works of other authors. So let's discuss what do you mean by major works and major concepts. Major works. The researcher should be able to identify the major concepts of the study. And the same level of importance is identifying the major works of authors supporting the discussion for the major concepts. So in research, the best way to identify major works is basically going back to the drawing board when you were making your concepts or conceptual framework, for example, or making some decisions on which variables you're going to include in your research. These are very important words or very important considerations in discussing or identifying the major works and major concepts. The second part that you are supposed to give considerations to is the secondary works supporting the major concepts. The secondary works are resources coming from other authors with related studies. Its use is to support the major concepts of the study. They may be identified by placing them as subtopics to the major concepts. So meaning, these major concepts has to be discussed thoroughly, and this has to be discussed through the secondary concepts or secondary works supporting the major concepts. What is its importance? Its importance is that it can make clearer and clarify some concepts that may be difficult for the authors and readers. Now let's proceed to the next part of writing the related literature or literature review. Comparative literature. Comparative literature, the researchers will have to discuss through comparing the related studies. This may come through analyzing the findings of one author to another on whether they agree or disagree. In this discussion, the author will express how the concepts can help in the direction of the studies. Remember in part A, we discussed about major works and major concepts. In that part, you will have to make some discussions with authors who agree or disagree with these major concepts. So you have to analyze. So meaning, literature review involves analyzing and organizing thoughts that may agree or disagree on important concepts that you are going to use or you will be using in writing your research. Okay. The next part is review. What does this mean? The purpose why it is called a literature review is to basically review the concepts and the related works from other resources. Review is done in order to clearly understand the study, as well as this is also for the service of the readers who should be updated and clarified with the study. Because remember, the reason why we study is basically to make clarification and to discover breakthroughs and it should be understandable to the readers and even to the possible users of the products that you're going to develop. To fully discuss the major concepts, the researcher has to discuss the relationship of the major concepts to tie up the connection to the conduct of the study. Relationships can be discussed based on the direction of the study, as discussing the effects, impacts, creating a new design, or why the related studies are needed to explain the concept. The next part, which is the last part of the consideration in writing the literature review, is the purpose. After considering the major works and secondary works for the discussion of the important concepts, and after clearly demonstrating the relationship of the concepts and the flow of the study through the different resources, the researcher will now have to assess the value of the literature review and explicitly express what is the importance of the related literature to the study and how it can help in the investigation or probing of the research. For example, if you're studying on how to make an antibacterial tool, then you will have to tackle the research in a way that there are authors who have already done, for example, invention of umbrella in terms of its efficiency, and now combine it with the relationship of how its antibacterial feature will be feasible, for example, when umbrella is being used by a person or by an individual. In a while, you will be practicing writing literature review, and we will do it step by step. The activity will tell you what to do first and how this process is supposed to be broken down to easier parts. You will have an example of literature review on the ergonomics aspect of knob design by Hang in 2015. So make sure to read the example and analyze, and how can a researcher write a very clear literature review using the resources available online and even in our libraries.